Hi, it's me, Trixie Mattel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a world famous drag queen with a passion for makeup artistry, but also a passion for dolls. It's been Trixie Mattel for like 13 years. I'm stunned how many people tell me they don't get that it's a doll reference, but if you know me, you know that I love dolls. I've read at least half a dozen nonfiction books about dolls, children, the way children develop because of dolls. Dolls end up being little time capsules. Fashion, the way women dressed, the way women were treated, what careers were aspirational for women at the time, and I got this in the mail. This is the Barbie 2020 Campaign Team Career of the Year. Big dreams, bright future. Thank you, Mattel, for sending it. It's been great. Mattel's been sending me dolls, which is great because I always thought if Mattel was gonna reach out, it was gonna be their legal department, so very pleased. I don't know what's in here. I've seen a little bit online, but I've done my part trying to not peek in here until right this moment. Before we open this, let's do a little cheers. You can subscribe anytime. This is a free channel. We are apparently adult cross-dressers who open children's toys. That's our vibe. So cheers, Illy. Oh. By the way, my neighbors, their window faces my office and I never close the window. One of them's a piano teacher because I can always hear her in there. She's either playing the most beautiful, intense, Debussy and get into it, or I hear she's giving lessons. I wonder if she looks in on me and is what a freak. Okay, so let's open it. I'm thrilled, I'm excited, I'm pumped. Oh my God, okay. Ooh. Beautiful box, Mattel, thank you. This is the Career of the Year. This is Campaign Team. So what we have here is Barbie in 2020 running for president, which is incredible. And by the way, not the first time she's done it. I mean, I love Hillary, love you. Barbie was the first female to run for president. I mean, imagine being a kid and receiving a doll that is encouraging you to grow up to be a woman and run for president. I'm not gonna get on my soapbox about this, but even me as a young gay boy in the country, Barbie to me represented possibility. We dress as what we are, and with toys, you can really pretend and start practicing for that future you want. I mean, think of how many little girls this year are getting this, and it's lighting that spark that they can affect change in a meaningful way. Because look at this. We have 4 women here, and the woman at the podium is a woman of color. I mean, I know how long dolls take to make, which means they made the choice to make the presidential candidate a woman of color way before they knew 2020 was gonna be such a time where little girls would need this level of inspiration. I mean, this is amazing. This is the type of doll that if they didn't send it to me, I would have to have it. I got a card. Each year, Barbie shines a light on a career underrepresented by women to expose girls to a role they may not be familiar with. Women represent 51% of the US population, but make up less than a third of the nation's elected leaders. And we know that Black women are represented even less across federal, state, and local elected positions. In an effort to inspire greater representation in the next generation, Barbie is encouraging girls to make their voices heard from the polling place to the podium. Now this is interesting. Research shows that starting at the age of 5, many girls stop believing that their gender can be anything. This is called the dream gap, and Barbie's on a mission to close it. In an effort to pique girls' interest in pursuing public leadership roles, Barbie has partnered with nonpartisan nonprofit organization She Should Run. She Should Run provides adults with resources to spark a conversation about leadership with a girl in her life. You guys, these are those moments as a doll collector where you know that you are enthusiastic about something important. I mean, I do drag because I like to make horrible jokes and drink booze. But if I had a daughter, you better believe I would be handing her this toy. I gotta see these girls. I think it's so funny because I did a video unboxing the color reveal dolls, and that was one of my most successful videos to date. And I found out that a large percent of the videos on YouTube are people taking toys out of boxes. And that's what I'm doing. Stunning. Oh my God, look how great they look out of the box. Come on. Oh, and look at that. It's a room full of women watching. Love it. You guys, I'm a collector. It does hurt me to open these, but I want us to be able to touch them and see them. So let's just do it. Okay, first up we have this diva. Look at the voter. Very cute. I love that she's in an I voted shirt. She's in these cute little running shoes. She's in jeans and a t-shirt. I like that she's casual. Go to the voting booth in your flip-flops and a shower cap, but just go. I'm Trixie Mattel. I'm outdoors outside of a school, and I had to go vote in drag because of my very tight schedule. You know what got me interested in voting? young people don't vote, and old, closed-minded, Republican, rich, white people, they love that we don't vote. I don't care how anti-establishment you are, voting is kind of the most punk rock thing you can do. It's the only way to make your voice truly heard. I'm gonna cut myself. Oh God. If you're a child, get a parent to help you. Also, if you're a child, stop watching this. Oh, okay, love. The campaign fundraiser is adorable. She's one of the plus size bodies, and look at her face. Oh, she's got her little bag. Love the denim dress. She's in little white flats. A campaign fundraiser works to raise the money needed for the campaign. Love it. Very important part of it. Campaign manager works in partnership with the candidate while overseeing day-to-day operations. Oh, you better work. Face, I love her glasses. I love this houndstooth. Bob the drag queen is shook. The houndstooth. And look at the little red shoes. Oh, ooh, the little computer. It's a map of the United States. I feel like I wish she was my employee. I wish this woman worked in my office. I'm gonna bring this woman to life and make her work in my cosmetics office because she's sickening. And finally we have Girl Beautiful. This is a beautiful toy. She's in this really cute sort of tweed jacket. She has a microphone for her speech, her smartphone, because she's a boss. She has some black slacks and some black heels. Oh my God, she even has a little America pin. Look at the face. These newer Barbie dolls, the faces they do are just crazy. This is why my last name is Mattel. Okay, I mean, this is incredible. Before there was a fashion doll, like a Barbie, little girls were basically only given baby dolls and they were encouraged to pretend to be moms. Flash forward to 2020, little girls are being handed the building blocks of pretending to be a leader. I'm so happy to be alive to see this. It's just, how old am I? I'm gonna die tomorrow. Congratulations, Mattel, on the campaign team. Thank you for watching this. If you wanna know more about voting, this is not sponsored, go over to headcount.org. That's where I registered to vote, and that's the organization that toured with me. I registered to vote the other day in probably less than 4 minutes, so I think you could do it too. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.